Yo, we at the meet, bruh. Bro, y'all blow me up so I could get one of these. All black ZX10. It'd be a dream come true for Rizzles. But I think we're fixing to leave. I don't really know what the word is. Yo, something you don't see every day. This is a legendary Jigsaw Breeze truck, dude. The two-stepping gold, man. He done blew to his tire, bro. Look at this. Let's go warm up the bikes. Oh, shoot. Y'all probably can't see nothing, so I'm turning this off. Yo, what up, skis? Alright, we're going to the next meet. But hurry up. God bless us. I hope everybody gets there safely. It's a long ride, so I'm gonna turn it off. I'll probably turn it on in the tunnels, but that's it. The tunnels, bruh. I'm acting like I don't do this all the time. I've gotten lost so many times on my way to this freaking meet, dude. But look at freaking Fort Worth. It's so pretty. There's a biker, bro. Hopefully we can follow him. I need your directions. Yo, after like 10 stops of not knowing where I'm going, I finally made it, bro. I never thought it would happen. Turns out the kid I was following was not coming here. Bro, his flame dude is ew. Yo. What up? So that concludes Tx2k, baby. I had a freaking blast, dude. I had a really sick spot to get all that drifting and whatnot, but then they made us move. There was a state trooper there freaking the fuck out. So, I mean, I just figured I'd leave. I was pretty much done anyways. I'm hungry. We're gonna head towards the city and get some grub. I also need to get gas. It's a little cold, but I only brought one pair of latex gloves, and I don't want to, you know, wear my gloves when I eat. That's freaking weird. So I'm gonna wait till I eat to put them on. It's gonna be a long ride home, boys, and I don't know half of the road. I'll see y'all whenever I get to Fort Worth and I get some grub. Peace. What up? Yo, what up? So this is basically wrapping up Tx2k. Well, for me at least. I guess there's technically one more day of like drag racing, but I ain't going into any of that. You could see that pretty much anywhere, unless you're competing. I'm just yapping. The meet we went to tonight was super sick. I'm just ready to be home, dude. I wish it was closer to my house. I had fun though. I can't wait to edit these videos. They're gonna be so freaking sick. I'm stoked. I love y'all very dearly from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all the support. Like and subscribe so I could get a all black ZX10R. Really, I want a ZX6R, but you know, if y'all get me monetized, I could probably get one and write it off as a business expense. So who wouldn't want to do that, you know? I hope y'all enjoyed the videos. That's about it. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe so I can get a ZX6R. Peace. Love you.